Morning, you guys. Happy Friday. It's Friday, you guys, and it's early in the morning, 8:40 something right now. And as I'm taking my walk, I just received an order, you guys. $21 for only 2 drop-off. The pickup time is 9:05, so let's wait for our pickup time. First drop-off. I needed to verify the ID. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, this is our second drop off here. So, and I'm here, which is the last drop off that I'll have to drop from this order. So, let's put it down. It's 10:20 right now, and I just received the shopping order, 15 miles for, I think 3 miles. The shopping order has to shop for 20 items, y'all. 20 items. Alright, I'm here in the person's house. Delivered. Let's go back to get our third one. You guys, I have been sitting in this car for a while now. Anyway, it's 12:20 right now. 12:20, and I just now received my third order of the day, but it's a big order, and it's a big shopping order, you guys. $45, and I'm going to shop for 50 something items. Yeah, I'm gonna be in there for a while now. And it's two customers, so let's go in and shop for this order. My energy is getting low right now because I've been sitting in this car for maybe an hour and something. Today is not how I pictured that it's gonna go. It's gonna go slow, different as I expected, you guys. It's too slow. Right now it's 3:07, you guys, 3:07, and I just received this is my fourth order. It's not my third order, my fourth order. $20, a shopping order, and it's a little it's another Walmart that I usually work at. It's like only 5 minutes away, so I'm like, why not, let's drive over there. So I'm heading there right now, and I'm only shopping 17 items, so not really bad, but 17 items. So I need to shop it quick because it's only going 1 mile. I needed to shop it quick, so when it's time to drop the curbside order, see if I can be already at the Walmart. So I'm gonna try as quick as I can. Because they dropped those curbside order, they're gonna drop it 3:40, between 35 and 45. So, but I don't know if I'm gonna make it. I have no idea. It's Friday, and my day, I already feel like tired and just want to go home. Let's work, and I hope after this I can receive at least 4 more orders before I go home. If I receive 4 more orders, I'm gonna be so good. I'm done, you guys. It took a minute. Okay, I was able to get a curbside order, you guys. Right now is I received this order 3:40ish, and right now it's 4, so I'm about to go deliver because they just finished loading my car right now. So let's go. So 2 more hours, and I forgot to tell you how much it was. $21 for only 4 miles, and it's only 3 drop-offs. So let's go. Right, our second drop-off. Yeah. I'm loving this. I just dropped my last one, and let me try to knock the door. I think they have something here that require for me to scan the ID. I think they have medicine. Hello. Yeah, I'm done dropping all my 3 drops off, and I feel like this order was super easy to finished, you guys. It was only 4 miles. And oh, I received another order. Let me go check. So I was saying, you guys, there is just something. Sorry, I'm looking for the cars, y'all. Anyway, I received an order, y'all. That was a good, sad, big order. $29. It's a shopping order. Going to shop for 21 items and it's 2 customers. Going to shop for 2 customers. So, and right now it's 4:30. Right now it's 4:30. Oh, so far so good. There is one thing that I love about my market, you guys. Yes, in the morning could be so slow, but after 1, you guys, around not even after 1, from 1 to 6, 5-ish, you can get a very good paying orders, and that's almost every day, y'all. That's almost every day. That's what I've noticed about Spark here in my area. But in the morning-ish, yes, you can get an order around 6 a.m. and 7. But after that, 8, 9, 10, those are the times like it's so hard to get orders. So I know my market so very well. So I don't even complain anymore. Like, be mad. Like, ooh, where is order? Because I know the time that Spark is sparking. So let's go and shop for this order. Oh, let me go ahead and answer this question, you guys. Somebody asked why I don't do Lyft anymore. Lyft and Veho. So the number one main reason why I do not do them, because Spark right now in my area it's sparking, you know. I can still get over 150 if I start from in the morning. So I don't see a point for me to do Lyft. And the reason even why I went to do Lyft was Spark was super slow in my area, and at that time there was a lot of people. Like, they hired a lot of people in my area because I started seeing like 10 new people at the same time. Like, ooh, okay. So that time, you guys, Spark was super slow. Yeah, but right now, it's slow sometimes, but it's not compared with the last time when I started doing Lyft. And Veho, the reason why I don't do Veho right now, because the pay, it went down, you guys. The payment went so much down that I feel like it's not worth it anymore. It's not worth it doing Veho right now. But if I was doing only DoorDash, I think I would be doing Veho, because DoorDash in my area too it's trash. DoorDash in my area, Uber Eats in my area, they trash. So Spark is my only app right now, and I need to take good care of it. Although you don't know nothing that can happen in the future, but Spark is my app. Spark is my app, and if Spark can end right now, I will go back to my 9 to 5. Yeah. And I have applied to a couple of medical courier jobs, and I applied. I tried to call, but it seems like medical courier too in my area, they're paying low money, you guys. A lot of them I see like $16 an hour, $17 an hour. I'm like, oh, what is this? You know? And there is this other one that they emailed me, you guys. They told me they pay $1 per mile. Medical courier. They pay $1 per mile. So what do you guys think? Is that a good medical courier? Like, is it good? Because I don't know when it comes to medical courier. Yeah, they say they pay $1 per mile. So if they give you $100 and that means you're gonna go deliver 100 miles away. So I'm like, oh, please Spark, stay with me. Do not go anywhere. Okay, y'all, I am done shopping and it's time to go deliver. Oh, so our first drop off is 10 minutes away, y'all. 10 minutes away. Oh, I'm receiving a call. Let me go pick it up. It is 5:40 right now. 5:40, you guys, and I'm going to get another one. $20. It's going 6 miles. It's only to drop off. You guys, I'm gonna come back to just get one more. I'm coming back to just get one more. It's Friday. It's Friday, you guys, and maybe I can even go up. I don't know, but we're gonna see because it seems too busy right now, y'all. It seems too busy. I'm getting orders back to back, like it's hitting me back to back, back to back. So we better get this money while we can. You know what I'm saying? Last drop off, y'all. Need to scan an ID. Okay, y'all. All right. It's the end of my video. Actually, after my last clip, after my last order that I showed you guys, I did one more, which was $19 for shopping, and I only had to shop for 7 items, and it was going 6 miles. I was like, oof, let's take this. Let's take this. But right now, I log off. I am offline from the app, so I don't receive more orders. I am on my way going home right now. Anyway, today was such a beautiful day. We made money, y'all. $193. $193. And this is the end of my video. Thank you for support. Thank you for subscribing. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.